Autotest is a web application that automates the process of generating test cases and test data from uploaded source code. In order to access the application, users are required to register an account and complete the necessary user information. During the login process, the user's credentials are authenticated using MySQL, which verifies the uniqueness of the username and the validity of the password provided by the user. This ensures security access to the features of the application and protects the user's information from unauthorized access. Upon successful registration, users are automatically logged into the application and can choose to test their code by either writing their own code or test scenarios to be tested using GPT-3 or by uploading Python or Java file.
Here we can see the user chooses to get his test cases through his code or function, and that's through the GPT 3.5 API model we use. As you can see, test cases are produced immediately, and that's due to a fixed prompt we have for test cases. As you can see, every time we press generate, different outputs and test cases are produced, and that's due to the fact that the model is built on enormous data.
Secondly, when the user want to test his Python project, first of all he will enter his name, then the two files that need to test, first that metadata file which JSON and the Python file that contains the constraints. Then we run the test case we run the genetic algorithm to generate test cases. These numbers that shown the number of the fitness function and the generations and number of tests that generated in every generation. Then that's the loading, that's the time we need to generate the test cases. Then that's the report that shows the number of tests that generated, how many passed and failed, and here it's why it's passed or failed based on the Python file that the user uploaded, and in the future soon will be a download button that shows these test cases that the user want to download his test cases and test data.